Welcome to how to add a new VPN connection on Windows 11. In this case, it's a PPTP connection. Settings. Network and Internet. VPN. Add VPN. Connection name. PPTP. VPN. Server name or address. I use IP address. This is the IP address of the virtual private network server. VPN type. Point-to-point tunneling protocol. PPTP. Login using username and password. Connect. You will be asked to enter username and password. Enter the account you set up on the virtual private network server. OK. Connecting. Connected. Thank you for watching. You can set up a quick connection using the VPN icon in the bottom right corner of your computer screen. VPN. PPTP. Connect. Connected.